Decoding decimals. Master multi-step decimal word problems. Hello, English language learners. Today, we're diving deep into an exciting part of learning English, multi-step decimal word problems. This subject not only helps us to enhance our English comprehension skills but also improves our mathematical thinking. In this lesson, we'll tackle different word problems involving decimals and learn how to solve them step by step. Before we start solving, let's understand what a decimal word problem is. These are mathematical problems presented in a narrative or story form that involve decimals. The problems require us to apply our understanding of decimals and basic mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. For example, John has $10.50. He buys a sandwich for $4.75. How much money does John have left? This is a decimal word problem that requires subtraction to solve. In multi-step decimal word problems, we deal with problems that require more than one operation. For instance, we might have to add first, then subtract, or perhaps multiply, then divide. The key is to understand the problem correctly and recognize the order of operations. For example, Sarah earns $15.50 per hour. She worked 5 hours on Monday and 3 hours on Tuesday. How much money did Sarah earn in total? In this problem, we first need to multiply Sarah's hourly rate with the hours she worked each day, and then add the two amounts together. Now that we know what to look for, let's solve some multi-step decimal word problems together. Example: David has $50.25. He buys a book for $12.75 and a pen for $1.25. How much money does David have left? Step 1. Add the cost of the book and the pen together. $12.75 plus $1.25 equals $14. Step 2. Subtract the total cost of the items from the amount David had initially. $50.25 minus $14 equals $36.25. So, David has $36.25 left after buying the book and the pen. Remember, always read the problem carefully and identify the steps you need to take before starting with the calculations. Well done, learners! We have just solved multi-step decimal word problems together. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more problems you solve, the better you'll become at understanding and solving them quickly. Keep practicing, and don't forget to double-check your calculations. Until our next lesson, happy learning!